Hello, good afternoon, children. Now we will start question number 3. Which of the following shapes can be made into an open box? Tick in the circle given below. Now we have to make a box, but what is the condition? That we have to make an open box. Open box means it should be open. Either it should have a one less wall, or it should have one open ceiling. Means ceiling should not be there only. So means can you tell me, to make a box how many faces we required? So we need 6. But if we want open face, so how much we will get? So 6 minus 1 will give you 5. So at least 5 walls should be there. Okay, so we will start from the number 1. There is shaded part we have to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This all are 5. But is it true that it can make a open box? And if yes, then how? So you have to imagine that you are standing here. Okay, then this will be your this side wall will be there, and this side also your wall will be there. Now this side will be here, it will come. But what about this? This will come on this overlapping, it will happen. So first of all, this will not become exact a cube. Okay, so that is why we will do here cross. Okay, now we will go to number 2. Now here you are standing, imagine. Okay, and this will be your standing wall, this will be your standing wall. Two walls happen on your right hand side and your left hand side. Now this wall will come on the front hand side, and this wall will be back only. So it means the above ceiling will be remaining empty, or means you don't have a ceiling on it. So we will do tick mark here. Understanding? Now this full chapter, this is on basis of your imaginations, means how you are imagining. So here see, I'll explain you how you can imagine. Here this is your base, that means floor, that you are standing in your house. Here you are standing. Okay, so on your right side what you will see, there is a wall. So imagine this portion will stand. So this is your wall, right hand side. This will be your left hand side wall, and this front your wall is there. Okay, and this is your back side wall is there. Means all 4 walls are there and one base is there. Means up on the ceiling there is nothing. So this will conclude as an open box. Okay, now again here you observe this one. So see, here you are standing, it is a base there, and then you are having your right hand side wall and the left hand side wall. Okay, you can say. Now this is your front wall, but what about this? So when you will take this front wall up, so this will come as a ceiling, it will come. So back side there is an empty, means here any wall will not be there. So this will conclude you as an open box, because 5 you are having, 1 2 3 4 5 you are having, and back side you will not have. Okay, now we will go to number 5. In number 5, this cubes cannot make an proper cube. Okay, it will not make an open cube also, it will not make an closed cube also. So you cannot take it. So we will do cross over here. Now number 6. Now see here. Again you have to imagine here that there is a wall is here. So you are standing, imagine here you are standing. Then this will be your right side wall. Then this will be your back side. So when you will take it this way it will come. So means you can construct it with the help of this cube. You can make a open cube also. Okay, so this is the answer, that yes, that you can make an open cube. Like here standing, so this will be back side, this will come this side, then this here already we are having, and this will come front side. Okay, so up it will remain empty. Now we will go to number 7. So here if you will see, if you are standing here, there are 2 walls are there, but here this wall will not come here. If it is coming here also, then this wall will also come here. So back side also you don't have, even ceiling also you will not have. So here we will do cross mark, because it will not create any cube. Okay, now next here number 8. Now in number 8 you see all are in a standing position. So you cannot make a cube with this 6 or 5 phases also. It should have some conditions, like you are standing here, so there are 2 walls are there. If this wall I will take up as a ceiling also, so what about this? This also will come as a ceiling, but we want something front, back, something, so we want enough. So this will also not create an open cube, neither open cube nor it will be a closed cube. Okay, now we will go to the number 9. Now you can have a same here also, you can see Here you are standing, so this will be your base, this will be your base, this will be your right left hand side, this will be your right hand side, this will come as a ceiling, it can come, okay. And this is back side wall is there, so front it will not have, so this will say the answer, yes, it is an open cube. Now here this one is we are having, so again we will start. If you can take this or this, anyone you can take as a base, it doesn't matter, okay. So imagine this is your base there, so this will be your right side wall, this will be your left side wall, and this will come as a ceiling, and this will come as a head, okay. So you can have here, if you are standing, then it will come ahead also. So this way you can have and backside door will not be there, so this will also create as an open a cube, okay. Now we are having number 11. So in an 11 number, it is not possible only. Why? If you are standing here, there are two walls are there, this is this there. Now what about this one? So this will not come in anywhere, as well as you don't have a front backside door, and you don't have a ceiling also. So no, it is not possible, so I'll mark it cross, okay. Now here number 12, the last one is there. So here it is your base, this is your right side, this is your back side, this is your front side, and this will come as a ceiling. So this side on your this side you will not have any door. So yes, this is an open cube. We are having 5 proper faces, so yes, tick mark we can do, okay. Now question number 7. Question number 4, match the following shapes given their boxes. Now you have to match. See, here diagrams are given, like here this is, you can say, as a pencil type shape is given, this is cone shape, this is prism there, and this is cylindrical there. Now you have to construct also, you can construct it. One paper you take and construct a cone, and then you cut it from the middle, and when you will open, which kind of shape you will get. For the prism also, when you will open it, when you will cut, what shape, no, what type of shape you will get, okay. Or you can say if in how which manner you will cut the paper, so you will get this all 4 shapes. So for that, number 1 we will see this way. See, here the answers are there. Number 1, if you are having a paper like this and you will cut it like this way, in this manner, and then you will roll it or you will fold it, then you will get like this shape, okay. Now your cone, if you can take a paper, just take a paper and just cut it in this manner, and then close it and stick it with the help of Fevistick or something, so what kind of shape you will get? So you will get this kind of cone shape you will get. And if you will take the paper and then you will construct it, so definitely you will get prism in your hand with the help of just a simple paper. Just you have to cut, you have to remember in which manner you are cutting. That is the most important thing is there. Like cylinder, so simple paper you can take and just fold it or so and stick it, so you will get a cylinder type shape, okay. So I hope you have understood this questions. Then, and this can, you can take it as a game also, then it will be very very interesting for you to learn this chapter, because you have to take it very easy and you have to just understand the main concept, that what is the main concept is there, okay. And just for making a cubes and all, you have to just imagine that there should be a 6 phases. Like you have to take your house only example, you are standing in one room, and then you have to start, there are 4 walls are there, front, back, right, left, and then there is a one ceiling is there, okay. And these shapes, if you are creating, so you can get a nice pattern and you will get different kind of shapes also. So thank you so much children.